light slowly filled the forest again, and little by little I began to rise from the darkness. Everything that disappeared yesterday was still there in its place, and the heart that had been consumed by fear quietly applauded me for surviving.